Absolutely battered by the wind and the rain. That is class. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, where have you been? Get on it. Anyway, we're in Glendalough, Wicklow. We have a wind weather warning, so not going to bring out the drone. Too dodgy, it's raining anyway. Say we're going to get pissed on. Plan was to do 120, but cut down short down to 80. It's rough enough now, to be honest. The Wahoo is flashing at me saying the gear selection is low, so Di2 needs a charge. We have over 1,000 meters of climbing, so need to try and manage that for today. Everything just seems to be going against me, so we're going to do a bit of smash fest. Try to get this done as quick as possible before this wind really picks up at 11. We should be finished by 12, hopefully. So I'm just going to get going and get stuck into it. Jesus! Just a little bit windy. Who's an idiot? Class. That is class. Wicklow, you little beauty. Bit of a tailwind for a second. Taking full advantage of this. You're smashing it. Absolute scenes up here. Not a sinner around. I say that and then a car comes. An hour and 20 from my house. I'm on roads like this. Yahoo! Oh, I love it! Oh, it's picking up now, lads! I tell you, be grateful for a few extra kgs when in this kind of a crosswind. Jesus! My arse is planted firmly on this saddle. 5k in, down off the mountain. It's a bit more relaxed now, the wind rain's calmed down, but she just took a bit of a beating up there, but the 8 horse, lads. What a bike. She took everything it threw at it. Absolutely love this bike. Go on, you little pixie. I'm with a headwind for the last 10k. Getting absolutely nowhere fast. No coffee stops today. Straight back to the car. Work tonight. Jesus. Actually, I don't even want to think about. Forget about it. Have one of those rides where headwind around every corner. I was sure we'd be sucking diesel on the way home. Battling all the way. Thank God for these streets windbreaking. Oh, that's at the start I was thinking this ride is going to be a disaster. You've probably seen no gloves. Di2 battery was saying it was low, and to be fair, it's actually still working. 2 hours in, so take what you want from that. Still working anyway. Too windy for the drone, but it was savage. Such a great ride. Delighted again. Look at this. Postcard. okay to go. Heading back into the mountains now, and straight away you can feel the wind pick up. Oh, you can see with the trees. In the book, 75k, 2,000 calories, elevation 1,300 meters. Take that, lads. I'd love to get the drone up, get a few shots. I'm just afraid it'll never come back. Anyway, thanks again for anyone who's watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. Just can't say it enough, it's a great help for the channel to grow, so I'm knackered. Oh. Anyway, slow on.